see you guys today. This will be our first unboxing of 2019. Yay! Yeah! Yeah!
Girl. Stop. Just stop.
Okay. Did you guys like my new intro? Did you like it? Thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know your thoughts on it. But first, before we go any further, there's some things that I need to ask you. One, how's your day going? How's 2019 been treating you? And two, have you subscribed to my channel yet? I would really love for you to join the Healthy Hair Divas community. We are here to promote healthy hair, loving our hair no matter what state it's in, relaxed, natural, tech slacks. I got videos for it all. Right now I'm on my natural hair journey, so I hope you keep rocking with me through this journey. So please, just right there, it's on one over there somewhere. Just subscribe to my channel. Just check me out. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this Curlbox. Yeah! She is heavy. Oh my goodness, she's heavy. So let me go ahead and open her up. Ooh. Okay, the first thing that I see is the card. That's what the card looks like. And this is the inside of the card. That's the back. Very beautiful. I love these colors, the blues and the gold. I love how they are playing on each other. Oh my goodness. Okay, she ready. Can I get shampoo? Okay, I'm just trying to put it in order. Wow. Okay, first, this is oh, sorry, my ice is moving in my cup. This is the OGX, Body Pure OGX line. I just wiped lipstick all over my hand. The Purifying Plus Charcoal Detox Shampoo. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at that. That's a big bottle. I cannot wait to try that. It says purify your pretty strands with this clarifying blend infused with coconut charcoal and bust through, build up and rescue dull congested tresses for deep clean. No stripping here. This blend only leaves shine. Yeah. Well, let's see how she smells. Oh, it smells clean. This smells really good, y'all. Really good. And this is a 13-ounce bottle. Next, we have the shampoo, and it's got the same stuff in it. Like that. Same smell. Oh, the smell is stronger. Let's see how thick she is. That is the consistency of that one. Very lovely. Okay, I forgot where I left off. This is the Charcoal Detox Conditioner. Smells amazing. Looks really good. And this is also a 13-ounce bottle. I didn't know they made bottles this, like, I know they're a little bigger than normal. Where do I go through next? Let's do the Finishing Mist. Locking plus coconut curls. Ooh. A lot of y'all don't like coconut. I like coconut. Coconut works for me. It's a finishing mist. It says soft hold without crunch. Yes, please. That's what it says.
Did you really just say that? You really said that, didn't you?
That's what it said. With coconut oil and jasmine extract, curls hold bounce without the stickiness. So this, oh, they have numbers on them. I didn't even know that. No, but this one has a 2 on the bottom. If you guys can see that. And I'm not gonna spray it. Ooh, that smells good, but it smells like a hairspray. Yeah, definitely smells like a hairspray. Okay, this is the air dry cream. No blow dry needed. Strands are dry, air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. This creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without crunch. And that's the air dry cream. And this is a 6-ounce bottle. And I forgot to tell you guys, the mist is also a 6-ounce bottle. I am here for these colors. Oh my goodness. Love it. Ooh. 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 I like that. I like, yes. Okay, lastly, because there's always 5 products. Lastly, we have the Hydrate and Repair plus Argan Oil of Morocco, creamy hair butter. This is a leave-in or a rinse out. And that's what it looks like. It's the bottle. So if you guys look for it in the store, you know what to get. Let's see. Ooh. That's what it looks like on the inside. You guys see that? And ooh, it's creamy thick. See that? Very creamy thick. It smells good. It smells good. It smells okay. I mean, it's not a bad smell. If I had to say what smelled the best, I would say the shampoo, conditioner, and the air dry cream. So let me show you again what we got. We got the charcoal detox shampoo. We got the charcoal detox conditioner. We got the finishing mist. That is a 2 hold. I'm assuming that's what that 2 is for. That has a very strong smell. And then we got the air dry cream that has a beautiful smell. Love it. Very creamy. And lastly, but not least, which I think is going to be my favorite, is the creamy hair butter. Right there. That's it for this January 2019 Curlbox. I am excited. I cannot wait to use these products. Please tell me your thoughts on these products. Have you tried them? If you guys want me to do a review on them using it, because I'm definitely going to use it. I don't know if I'm going to use the mist though. I'll try. If y'all want me to try it, I'll try it. But I'm not big on hairspray and mist and whatnot. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to try this stuff. I will have links down below where you can purchase this. And I will also have a link down below where you can snag you some Curlbox. Curlbox is a monthly subscription. It's $20 plus $5 shipping, so $25 a month. You cannot beat that because some of the stuff we have gotten has been way more than $25. So
Girl, you better say that, girl. You better say that.
I definitely appreciate Curlbox. Go ahead and snag you a Curlbox subscription. You will not be disappointed. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Right there, right there. I know you see it. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.